Good morning to all of you. I'm Dr. K. J. Mahesh. I'm the head of the ophthalmology at KIMS Icon Hospital. Today I'll be discussing you about the cataract, namely the what is cataract, the magnitude of the problem in India, what are the types of cataract, and what are the causes of the cataract, and finally the treatment of cataract. As you all know, cataract is basically an opacification of the capsule or the lens capsule or the lens. So this is defined as a cataract. Now the magnitude of the problem in India is about 18.5 million are blind, bilaterally blind because of cataract. Now it has been estimated that unless we reduce the burden of disease in the society because of cataract, potentially we can have a large number of people becoming blind by the end of the century. So when we classify the type of cataract can basically be classified as congenital cataract, which is present at birth, presenile cataract, which can be caused by metabolic, acquired or environmental factors, and senile cataract, that is cataract which appears with aging. So when you consider congenital cataract, it is present at birth, the treatment should be as early as possible. Now presenile cataract, the causes can be anybody developing cataract below the age of 50 years, we define as presenile cataract. Now presenile cataract can be because of number of reasons, like metabolic factors like diabetes, can be secondary to trauma, that is an injury to the eye, and can be due to number of syndromes like galactosemia, myotonic dystrophy, and can be even can be due to exposure to toxic substances like chemicals and even drugs like amiodarone, and there are myotics. These are the drugs causing cataract. So senile cataract is a cataract because of the aging, anybody above 70 years, because of the denaturation of the lens protein. There is an increase in the insoluble proteins in the lens. So that causes the central portion of lens to become cloudy and it attains a brown color. So that causes a blurring of vision. Now when you consider the symptoms of cataract can be a blurring of the distant vision, uniocular diplopia, that is you can have a double vision in one eye, and you can have halos around lights, and you can have a glare, that is you feel very uncomfortable when light from the opposite vehicles they fall on your eye. So this is all because of the thickening of the central portion of the lens. Now when you consider the types of the cataract, so when we examine the patient based on the color of the central portion of the lens, we classify cataracts as a cortical cataracts, nuclear cataracts, or a total cataract. So based on the color, this causes a proportionate decrease in the distant vision, and it needs to be, this is how we classify the type of cataracts. Total cataracts is total white cataract, where we cannot see the structures in the back portion of the eye. Before treating the cataracts, now the treatment of cataract, it is only surgical. There is no medical treatment available for treatment of cataracts. Before treating cataracts, we first evaluate the eye with respect to the corneal curvature, the total length of the eye. This is called as A-scan biometry, and we decide the type of implants to be implanted in place of the cataract. So the present treatment is based on the lifestyle of individual. We give an implant as per the lifestyle of individual. For example, a young computer engineer, if at 40 years he needs to have a good intermediate vision while looking at his laptop, so we generally choose either a multifocal lens or a panoptic lens to suit his lifestyle dispenses. At the same time, an age person who just has to see a distant objects while walking at night, for him we generally prefer a monofocal lenses. Most of the IOLs we implant are made of acrylic material. The present standard of care for cataract surgery is phacoemulsification. Here by a 2.8 millimeter incision, it is a self-sealing incision. We just with a high frequency ultrasonic energy, we emulsify the lens fragments and remove the remaining fragments by aspiration, and we implant the foldable intraocular lens to a 2.8 mm incision in the exact place as the natural lens was. By this method, the recovery rate is very fast, hardly it takes about a few weeks, and the person can get back to his normal lifestyle within just a matter of few weeks. So it is just to bring to the awareness of the society that you need to get your eyes examined, and this is fortunately a curable cause of blindness. So this can greatly go in reducing the burden of vision loss in the society. Thank you so much for your patient listening.